Today's scenario.
Okay.
Please come in and please change your shoes.
Okay.
Please come in. This is changing room. Please take off your wear and wear.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
So please open yourself. This white one is potato sauce. Potato and soy milk. So this is like a green onion. So this is green one is mountain vegetables, and this white one is like seaweed, which is beef. So this is shrimp and beans, green beans. steamed rice. This is green tea.
green tea.
Yeah, green tea.
Okay.
跟住落嚟介紹兩款法式嘅料理，呢個係法國嘅乾粉同埋呢個布朗嘅啫喱去做嘅小食，最底一個充滿香料味嘅日文叫做 Pinotto 嘅ice powder 係啦，呢個又係同頭先嗰個烏度一樣，春天先會生出嚟嘅蔬菜。 再去做咗菜汁先，跟住再急速落。佢個口感咧，將個搖發後咧可以化開咁樣嘅。
OK。
咁我哋佢基本就係。有幾多人？我有數啦。去咗隔離郡馬縣咁樣嘅，係啦，喺興井澤嘅北部，係啦，咁就話隔離有，咁我哋都要整翻個咁樣，係啦，嘅一個三文魚，咁係舊年年底、今年年初先至啱啱面世嘅新品。
Okay.
係啦，咁首先介紹法國人春天佢哋經常會享用嘅呢個叫做Molière咁即係呢個羊肚菌。我哋用少少長野園係啦，咧話呢度本地嘅呢個百合咧，佢喺入邊感受到呢個杏仁嘅香味。咁今次咧就試下將呢兩個食材擺埋一齊咁頭先。好，放喺。